Hello guys, welcome to another awesome video about TST, and today I will enlighten you guys about the TST ecosystem. Okay, now most of you guys did not attend the Saturday live meeting. Okay, so and in the live meeting, I explained what the TST ecosystem is. So I'm going to repeat it in this video so that you guys understand what the TST ecosystem. So that whenever I mention it, you understand what it means. Okay. Now, ecosystem means the word ecosystem means an interconnected system. Okay, which means like different systems which are connected together either because of one thing or the other. So in the case of TST, okay, we have different systems that are connected together by the token TST. Okay, they are connected together by TST. Now, number one on the list of the ecosystem is the community. Okay, the community are the holders of TST, holders and distributors of TST. All right. So what happens is the when the community buys the coin and holds the coin and uses the coin, okay, and when they buy the coin, okay, there has to be a use case for it. There has to be, okay, where do they store the coin? Okay, where do they exchange? What market do they exchange it? And also, what else can they use it for? Okay, so these are the questions that bring about the next part or systems of the ecosystem. Okay, so we talk about the TST community, which is the bedrock or the foundation of TST. Okay, in as much as the coin has been created, but without a community behind it to promote it, to talk about it, to share information about it, okay, to use it, the coin's aim, okay, is defeated. Okay, so that's why it's very important that the bedrock is the TST community, and ours is still a young and growing community, and we have very few active people, but we're changing that by focusing mainly on TST alone. Okay, so number two in the list of systems that make up the TST ecosystem is the wallet system. Okay, the wallet system is where TST holders get to store their coin and probably use it to like transact. Okay, so it's more like their wallet, and without their wallet, the coin they won't be able to spend you store the coin, talk less of use the coin. So whether you're using whichever wallet system you're using, whether you're using a wallet system on an exchange like bitcratic.com, or you're using a standalone wallet like Trust Wallet, which is highly recommended because our listing there is complete. uh what else again? You have im token. Im token is kind of compatible with every device from my experience so far, whether it's iPhone or whether it's a small version of an Android phone. Okay, it's been compatible so far. Okay, and it still offers the DApp service, which is the centralized app service, which or what they call browser. Okay, and you also have MetaMask. MetaMask is also good, but it's still in beta mode, so which means it's still not fully released. Okay, so that's why you have it only on Android, and I don't think iPhones allow for coins that are still under development to be, displayed on their platform or to be used on their platform, probably because of security purpose. Okay, so these are the wallet systems that we use, and they are not we don't have our own built system. Okay, it's a very huge investment to make, but it's most important to make such an investment probably when you have your own blockchain and you are able to control the whole coding from from scratch up to the contracts that will run the coin, and start talking about wallet service and whatnot. Okay, so that number two is the wallet system. Okay, like I said, is where you store your coin, spend your coin from. Okay, number three is talk about the market. Okay, now what comprises of TST market? Okay, what comprises of TST market? Now the TST market is made up of is how do I call it? It's brought about by exchanges. Okay, so when you have a list of exchanges where your coin is traded, what you already have is you have a market. So in the case of TST, the TST market is made up of TST to Ether pair on Bitcratic exchange, TST to Ether pair on Uniswap, and also TST to TMT trading pair on Uniswap. Okay, so these are the market pairs that anyone can trade. Okay, whether you're trading on Bitcratic or Uniswap. Okay, so this creates the market because the activities on these platforms, okay, is what influences the price of TST. Okay, the activities on these exchanges is what influences the price of TST. So the market data is gotten from the activities on the exchange. Okay, the market data is gotten from the activities on the exchange. All right, so it's very important that this is noted. All right, so let's talk about the final. Okay, the final or the last part of. Let's talk about the last part of the ecosystem. Okay, now I was talking about uh, the TST use cases. Okay, now use cases varies. Okay, right now we have the Mat app, which is where people TST holders can actually spend their TST. Okay, number two is we have merchants who accept TST as payment. Okay, 100% TST as payment. Okay, then we have um, what's it called again? Then we have the TST staking, which is another use case for TST. Now, bear in mind that the reason why this is mostly like the another important part and also part of the ecosystem is that when people have a coin, they should have a wallet. Okay, and from the wallet, they're able to access exchange, and most importantly, they can be able to access goods and services. Okay, so if a token, which is a payment token, is created but does not have any use case, then the coin may be considered a shit coin. Okay, but in case of TST, TST is not a shit coin. So we have use cases, and if you are in doubt of how to trade, if you're in doubt of how to use it, you can always stake. Okay, don't just hold your wallet, your coin. Though your token can appreciate in value, okay, when in your wallet, okay, but at the same time, if you want it to generate passive cash flow for you, then you embrace TSC staking, which is what we kind of encourage more now. We encourage TSC staking more now because the market is still under development. Okay, when you're dealing with a new coin, the market is going to take time to develop, to mature. I get what I'm saying. Just like we have Bitcratic having a higher price, Uniswap having a lower price, Uniswap having more transaction volume than Bitcratic. So it takes time for the market to be at par. All right. So it takes time for the market to be at par. Also, when it comes to shopping, the ability for you to shop also relies heavily on the liquidity of the market. So that's why for now, as we are focusing in building TST from the foundation up, okay, we want people to focus on staking. You get what I'm saying? Focus on staking because staking gives you result, and at the same time it does not, it gives the market and it gives TST breathing space to appreciate, okay, and to for developments to be done. All right, so that's it for this video. I just want to enlighten you guys on the TST ecosystem. I'll still take out time to create content on the individual systems. Okay. All right, so guys, that's it for this video. Till I see you guys next time. Thank you guys for watching, and have a great day.